What's up, everyone? Frankie here with Chill Pack Rips. I appreciate you stopping by and checking out my video. Today I'm going to open for you the Surging Sparks 3-pack blister. I picked this up at my local Target for $15. You get the 3 booster packs, the Zapdos promo card. But just a quick opening for you today. Maybe we can get lucky and I can pull that ever so evasive Special Illustration Pikachu that I know everyone's going after right now. This one. And if you guys do enjoy the video, please make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it.